The Institute for the Study of Welsh Estates is a national research centre based at Bangor University, which aims to enrich historical understandings of Welsh culture and society, our landscapes, built environment, and heritage collections. Our research focuses on historical estates and country houses across all parts of Wales. The communities, landscapes, people and experiences associated with these places, and the huge influences they exerted across so many parts of society, from local perspectives to national and global spheres. Archives are a hugely important part of this mission, and at our home at Bangor University, we're really fortunate to have access to one of the best collections of estate archives in the whole of Europe.
Thomas Richards oedd y gŵr a benodwyd yn lyfrgellydd y coleg ym 1927, oedd yn gyfrifol am fynd ati i gasglu'r papurau data tiriog ar gyfer Prifysgol Bangor, a hynny ar gyfer ymchwil, ac er mwyn gwneud yn siŵr bod na ffynonella cynradd ar gael ar gyfer astudio hanes Cymru. Ac mae'r casgliadau yma bellach yn rhan bwysig ac arwyddocaol iawn o ddaliadau archifol Prifysgol Bangor. Mae yna filodd ar filodd o ddogfennau i'w canfod yn y casgliadau Ystadau. Rhain dyddio nôl i'r canol oesoedd a rhain perthyn i'r 15fed ganrif, ond bob dim yn perthyn ac yn ymwneud â Gogledd Cymru. Mae'r casgliadau hyn yn bwysig o safbwynt prosiectau ymchwil ym maes hanes, ond hefyd yn berthnasol i lenyddiaeth, cerddoriaeth, y gyfraith, daearyddiaeth a sawl pwnc arall.
Un o brif gryfderau ISWE yw'r tîm anhygoel o ymchwilwyr doethurol sydd gyda ni. Ac yn dydyn ni'n prosiectau yn edrych ar bob ran o Gymru.
O Gastell San Ffagan i fyny Rhywabon, a'r glwyddiaeth gwir i cheldiroedd y Carneddau, ac astudiaethau yn canolbwyntio ar Fai Penrhyn ac Ystadau Rhug, Gregynog a Gwydyr.
Mae myfyrwyr PhD yn edrych ar hanes Cymru o sawl gwahanol bersbectif, o'r cymdeithasol, diwylliannol, gwleidyddol, pensaernïol ac ymgylcheddol.
Gyda prosiectau am hanes merched, cofebau, newid tirwedd, aneddiadau ucheldiroedd gwag, protest gwledig, dehongliadau treftadaeth a llyfrgelloedd plastau bonheddig.
Mae'n wych iawn bod yn rhan o ni.
From the time that ISWE was established, it's always sought to build sustained interactions and partnerships with other academic institutions and Wales's archives and cultural heritage organisations. But not only that, with the owners and custodians of country houses and historic landscapes, with county history societies and local communities. And I believe it's this collaborative and engaged approach of working with others, outside academia as well as inside it, that's so important, because it's these connections that facilitate the building and sharing of new insights about Wales's past, as well as its present and future.
ISWE is making a real difference to the study of Welsh history and is positioned to make long-term contributions towards the intellectual and cultural life of Wales.